Gikuo kia General Ogolla na maabitha gikenda mbiraru mutino-ini wa ndege ya mbiraru nigithiete na mbere na kurehe mawoni matiganite. Ngwataniro ya Azimio riu ikindekithia mutaratara ungi wa uthuthuria kugerera mbunge.
Already we are seeing worrying signs. We have noted that Mr. Ruto set up a separate investigation team away from the one gazetted by its Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen in the Gazette notice dated 8th April 2024.
Mushomano-ini wa mbunge na utongoria wa ciama iria ciumbite ngwataniro ino ni mekirire nganja kamiti iria ciumbitwo ni president na minister wao Kipchumba Murkomen kana ni ikurehe umithio. Azimio yamurite mubunge wa Mathare Anthony Oluoch na senator wa Kitui Enoch Wambua kuhariria kamiti ya mwanya ya bunge cieri iria ikurumanira na uthuthuria uyu na iguru wa uguo makauga family cieri morirwo ni maabitha aya itibatie kuhithwo mutafanĩrie wa uthuthuria uyu.
We also demand that families of the victims be independently represented in the investigation and inquest. I must hasten to add that we have authorized Honorable Anthony Oluoch and Senator Enoch Wambua to lead a process of establishing a parliamentary inquiry, a joint parliamentary inquiry involving both the Senate and the National Assembly.
Bunge ya kibũrũri ya bunge magĩcaka ya maabitha aya abunge ya ngwatanĩro ya Azimio na Kenya Kwanza maumana ihinda rĩa ngarari. Azimio makiuria ũgitĩri wa maabitha angĩ a thirikari ũtari atĩa kuona mahũthagĩra ndege cia gĩkĩro gĩkĩ.
If that can happen to a general at that particular level, then how safe are we with other senior officers in this country who travel using the same and similar choppers?
Honorable Speaker was saying the presidential jet, you remember, was purchased in the early 80s or late 80s by former President Daniel Arap Moi. And probably this offers us that opportunity now to reconsider.
It's unfortunate that even from the place General Ogolla hailed from, that is the Luo nation, very few leaders attended his burial. But they are here today mourning more than everybody else and complaining more than everybody else.
It has been promised that there will be a thorough probe. But I want us to consider the two known ways of probe. Either a commission of inquiry at the, which is at the hand of the president, or an inquiry by this house. Although an internal inquiry is good, but an internal inquiry may not do the full length of justice to what we need to know.
Mathiko-ini ma General Ogolla, President Ruto ni ahithuririe ati General Omenda uria ni kamanda wa mbiraru cia riera-ini niwe ugutongoria uthuthuria uyu gikiro-ini kia mbiraru kuria eranĩire maumirira ona ihenya.
I want to assure the country that the KDF, our Kenya Air Force, have the requisite integrity and professionalism to make sure that there will be no shroud of doubt on what happened to General Ogolla.
Gukiri uguo, Azimio ni yendekithĩtie gũcenjio kwa watho wa kũrehe na gũtũma indo cia biacara bũrũri-inĩ rungu rwa watho wa kĩgĩna wa mwaka ũyũ, makiuga nĩ ũrahatĩka makambuni mamwe amwe arĩa mararuta mahaki manene nĩo maraheo mweke wa mbere makĩria thogoro-inĩ ya cuma na thimiti. Ngiribotera Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.